The double murder trial of Alex Murdaugh is underway, and today the first witness will take the stand in the case. Prosecutors say the once prominent lawyer killed his wife and 22-year-old son to distract from financial crimes that were about to come to light. He has since been charged with nearly 100 such crimes, including stealing more than $8 million. Nikki Battiste has been covering this case from the very beginning. She's outside the courthouse. It's in Walterboro, South Carolina. Nikki, good morning to you.
Gayle, good morning. A jury of 8 women and 4 men listened to about an hour of opening arguments here yesterday. When I first sat in a courtroom with Alex Murdaugh in 2021, he looked like a broken man, shaking and in shackles with his head bowed. Now, he looks a lot like the poised lawyer he once was.
Appearing calm and confident, Alex Murdaugh listened closely to opening arguments in his double murder trial as the lead prosecutor called the crimes a perfect storm of desperation.
A key piece of forensic evidence that you're going to hear in this case is the cell phone evidence.
He told the jury cell phone evidence places Murdaugh at the family's estate within minutes of when his wife Maggie and 22-year-old son Paul were shot to death at close range. Murdaugh has always denied he was there, claiming at the time he was visiting his mother. The prosecution also argued that bullet casings found by Maggie's body match a firearm Murdaugh owned, which is now missing.
It was a family weapon that killed Maggie Murdaugh.
The defense fired back.
He didn't do it. He didn't kill Butcher, his son and wife.
Murdaugh's lawyer, Dick Harpootlian, says there's zero evidence his client committed the murders.
They decided that night he did it. Without forensics, without cell phones, without any of that.
Murdaugh became emotional as his attorney detailed Paul's gruesome death. Harpootlian also told the jury Murdaugh had no reason to kill the wife and child he loved.
Why? This is going to be interesting, because we don't know why. He doesn't know why.
But local reporter Michael DeWitt, who has covered the case from day one, says the prosecution does have a motive for the murders.
They believe the motive was to distract from his nearly 100 financial crimes. So they believe that he committed this drastic, violent act to gain sympathy, to buy time, and to distract people, and just for a little while it worked.
In a nearly packed courtroom, Murdaugh's sister, brothers, and surviving son Buster sat 2 rows behind him.
Do you think your dad's guilty or innocent? Anything you'd like to say about your dad?
The first witness to take the stand today will be a first responder to the crime scene. Jurors will be shown about 45 minutes of his body camera video showing Alex Murdaugh's behavior after he says he found his wife and son and called 911. Murdaugh has pleaded not guilty to the murders. If convicted, Gayle, he faces life in prison.
Some of the details of this case still so hard to believe, but a lot of people are watching. Thank you very much, Nikki.